Hi everyone, welcome to Color Combo. This is something I started last year as a collab, but it's really just me, so I should change this to say Color Combo Series. I'm going to keep this up through the end of the year, even though I'm not going to be a demonstrator for Stampin' Up after June 30th. So, but I still have their cardstock. And I still have their inks, and so all those colors and their Stampin' Blends, and I'm not planning on getting rid of those. So I decided to continue. And the way we started this is you didn't have to use the Stampin' Up colors, but that's what I have. So this month's colors are Daffodil Delight, which is a bright yellow. Mango Melody, think mango colors like an orangey yellow, and Soft Succulent, which is this color, light green. So I went digging. I always start off by pulling out the cardstock and the ink colors, and then I go looking for designer series paper, specialty paper that might match. And I found one. I found a couple that had Daffodil Delight, but not Mango Melody or Soft Succulent, and I found one that had Daffodil Delight and Mango Melody, but they used Granny Apple Green as the green, but I made it work, I think. So I made one card only this time, and I used I want to get the name of it right for you, Hues of Happiness designer series paper from the Happiness Abounds suite in the annual catalog 22 to 23 for Stampin' Up, on page 109. Yes, the bundle is on page 109. I did use the Happy Birthday. Didn't use the other stamps. I did use this die and this die, and I think this die, and that's it. So let me show you what I did. This paper, by the way, is gorgeous, and when I looked at the colors, it has so many colors, but Daffodil Delight and Mango Melody are both in there, among many other colors, as you can tell by looking at these beautiful papers. So I used this paper, and I used it like this: green, Daffodil Delight, Mango Melody, and even into a little bit of pink. That became my card mat on a Daffodil Delight card base. And then, isn't this pretty? You could just use whatever color flowers you want. Also, Daffodil Delight and Mango Melody, but I didn't use those. I used, what did I use? I used this paper, but down here is Mango Melody and Daffodil Delight and some pinks thrown in. So let me bring it in and show you the card. I think it turned out gorgeous. You'll have to let me know what your thoughts are. Here it is. Okay. This is Soft Succulent ribbon. It is current ribbon by Stampin' Up. It's open weave ribbon. How much? 3/8 inch Soft Succulent. It was in last year's annual catalog, but it did carry over. And this is stamped in Soft Succulent, the Happiness Abounds Happy Birthday from here. This is an A2 sized Daffodil Delight card base, and this is a Daffodil Delight 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, because this was actually, I cut this to 3 by 4, but I later trimmed it down on the side after I put this down. So this is 2 3/4 by 4, and then this piece was 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, but I ran it through that die. And then I didn't like the way the paper just stopped abruptly. That's why I put the ribbon there. And here are, okay, this designer paper has flowers that you can die cut with the dies. I love that they do that. And these are Mango Melody and these are Daffodil Delight. At least that's what they're supposed to be. So that is what I used, and this is Mango Melody, so it does look like that. So I used those. I cut 2 big ones and 2 of these smaller ones, and I glued them all down, but these weren't sticking, so I actually put a dimensional under this flap, and it gives them some dimension on the top part of them only, and I like how that looks. And then this I just popped up across the bottom. And then these are retired. I've been using them a lot lately to try and use them up, but Mango Melody was one of the colors. So I used 5 of the Mango Melody adhesive back sequins. And this looks like oil paint because it has, I don't know if you can see the texture in that paper. It doesn't have texture, but it looks like it does. Let's put that up a little bit, maybe. There. So I like how that looks. And then inside, I didn't have enough white cardstock big pieces cut, so I just cut another piece of the Mango Melody and Daffodil Delight, put it at the top, and there's plenty of room. You can write on that and this. So I just did something a little bit different on the inside. I don't think I got it glued down real good, but anyway, get the idea. So that is my color combo collab. If you are challenge or series, whatever you want to call it, if you would like to play along for July, I do this on the 5th of the month at noon Eastern. July's colors will be Calypso Coral, which is a orangey coral, a pale orangey coral sorta, and then a So Saffron, which is a pale yellow, and Pear Pizzazz. So the colors are kind of similar to this month, except the green is very different. Pear Pizzazz, it's more like a light olive green. But those are the colors for next month: coral, yellow, and a pale yellow, and Pear Pizzazz. So it's seeming like it might be flowers again, but maybe I'll try and think out of the box and do something a little different. And then each month I'll try to remember to tell you what the colors are for next month if you'd like to play along, and I'll put a hashtag. It'll probably just be color combo 2022 hashtag down below, and let me know that you participate so I can find your makes. It doesn't have to be cards, it can be anything, but I think of cards when I think Stampin' Up. That's why I made a card, but you can do many other things too. All right, everyone, I don't want to hold you back. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.